Okay, so now today we're replacing a light bulb for the low beam, which is this here, not this one. That's high beam. This is low beam in 2006 Toyota Sienna. Did you take out the light bulb?
I'm trying to, is there a switch here? I gotta push something?
I think you're supposed to I think you're supposed to squeeze it.
This is glass. So you have a screwdriver?
No.
Here it is, look.
So this is kind of an annoying job to do because I did it in my car also, and it was annoying.
I gotta push that thing down, I think. See that white thing? I gotta get a screwdriver.
Okay, so it looks like this. Where is it? Did you just put it in, Gary?
No, I need a screwdriver to get it out.
No, I don't think you need a screwdriver.
The white thing has to get pushed in.
All right, so let's wait till he gets a screwdriver.
Out of the way a little bit. You got to push this down. When you push this down, this goes up.
Okay, what?
Now, which way did it come up? Like this, right? Here it is. Look, see this thing here? So when you push this piece down, it comes up over the top of this. There it is.
So it snaps into place.
Yep, that's all. Nowhere. Nowhere's the little hole. Here it is.
That's supposed to snap into place too.
Unless it's the wrong one, right? Stupid old man. Yeah, I got it. You gotta push it in and then turn it to the right.
All right, move. Let me just. Okay, so there it is right there.
Did it turn on?
Yes, the lights are working now.